Hey there, I'm Mr. Terry, a high school history teacher. Welcome back to another History Teacher Reacts video. All right, I found another compilation of funny test answers to check out today. So I'm looking forward to see some smart alecky kids out there. Hey, if you haven't noticed, I've launched a new meme series with funny, history memes and maps and stuff like that. But the YouTube algorithm doesn't seem to be promoting it very much, and you might not have seen the videos I've been posting recently. So check that out, because you're into this stuff, I know you're going to be into that stuff. I'll link them at the end of this video. All right, the original compilation can be found below, so you can check that out. All right, let's see what the students got for us. What do you think you do with your family? Complete the sentences. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Answer on an English exam paper. Tell me this, you all. Would you ever intentionally put the wrong answer to a test to make it funny, even if you know the answer? Do you have the guts to do that? Let me know down below. Defend your answer. Sarge, I don't know how much we can hold them. Because they're he's defending the answer. Hold! Would you rather be stuck on an island all alone or with one person you hate? Why? I would rather be on an island with someone I hate so I have something to eat. You wouldn't eat the person that you like? I've never seen something that dark in my classes. Suggest one cause of deforestation. This paper, literally. Hey, you gotta cut down the trees, right? Like the paper. True. Short answer number 5. Provide an example of risk. No. See, that's just lazy. See, I like them to be creative. Every kid think they'll be the principal and they would change everything and it'd be fun or something like that. Oh no. Okay, write as many words with the same pattern of UCK. I feel like of all the options that I know you want to teach kids a good vocabulary, but like you're just walking into a very bad potential. What does that mean to motivate your answer? Do you guys know? Let me know. Motivate your answer? Is that a misspelling? Is that a different language? 11:10. That's right. Wait, am I missing something? Draw a small clock that shows 10 minutes past 11. Oh, do they want the an hour hand clock? That's what they want to teach. The kids are like, the kids got too depressed too early. You know, how sad are they going to be as they get older and life gets even harder? They're the most stress-free part of their life, right? That was pretty good. Why do we pay taxes? So we don't get arrested. I mean, that's a reason. Yeah, I mean, that is a reason. Marcus is the strongest kid in 2nd grade. He used to lift 12 pounds. Now he can lift 97 pounds? How much more can he lift now? Marcus is on steroids. Dude, for real. Marcus is the strongest kid in 2nd grade. He used to lift 12 pounds. Now he can lift 97 pounds. Who writes that? Dating fossils by using radioisotopes is called absolute dating. What's another method of dating fossil called? Necrophilia? Oh gosh. That's like attractive to dead people. So you're dating a fossil? I'll be honest, that's actually pretty creative. I would get a kick out of that secretly as my teacher, but I don't teach science, so we need some good, like some other history ones, you know what I mean? I want some funny history test answers. If you guys have anything like that, let me know over on Discord. Funny, like, answers specifically to history questions. That's what I would love. I'm a history teacher. Jack, you can't just white out a question you don't want to answer. You can see that. They just whited it out. Awesome. How big is the space? It's like really fucking big. 100% AGT. Welcome to the team, Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson. What the heck? See, I don't think it's big. I don't think that was big at all. Explain how you figured out how much milk they drink. Thinking? Did I miss something on that one? I don't know. I don't get that one. Complete each sentence on the lines below. 10 bluebirds sometimes chirp. The mother duck lays eggs. An American eagle is illegal to cook? There's so many things. You could have said like illegal to hunt or something, but cook. The other stuff's apparently fine. Draw a polygon with exactly 6 sides. Be sure to use a ruler. Use a crayon to color each vertex of the polygon. Wait, I went too fast. Color 6. What is the name of the polygon you drew? Answer, hot dog. The name is hot dog of the polygon? And it's your polygon, kid. Good luck. You get the 6 sides and colored all the points, right? Tell or show you know the answer. Wait, circle the smallest number, 10. And a rainbow? Okay, that kid's just dumb. That's just dumb. That kid's gonna have a tough life. Name a location that is sparsely populated, the ocean. Well, there's a lot of things living in the ocean. State one significant physical reason why the area named above is sparsely populated, because humans can't breathe underwater. Hey, it's populated with all kinds of stuff. Maybe not, you know, humans, but that's a pretty good reason. Write a 7-digit number that has the digit 6 in the 10,000s place. See, this kid he just beat the system. He's like, I don't know where the 10,000s place is, so I'm just gonna write a whole bunch of 6s and get by it. See, this is thinking, you know, smart, not hard. All right, next one. About how old is your grandfather? 55, 500. Dead. Yeah. That's a rude question. Come on. In your opinion, which location would be most dangerous during a tornado? Circle 1. Circle 1. Oh, a school, a park, and a store. It's way too dangerous to circle a tornado. That's actually brilliant. I really like that. That was good. How does my story become our story? Reestablish the Soviet Union? Okay, so now we got some like history involved here. My story and our story. You know, anything that goes from mine to our, it's got to be communism, right? So reestablish the Soviet Union. There are no personal stories in the history of the Soviet Union. It's only our stories as the Soviet. Comrade Stalin like that. I saw at the bottom. Come up with an equation that's true and x equals 7. Be creative. You can make the equation as simple or as complex as you want. X equals 7. Hey, you asked for it, teacher. It says as simple as possible. Write these words in alphabetical order. Oh, gosh. Those aren't words, buddy. Those aren't words. I hope this kid got some intervention to help with their spelling. Or they just didn't understand it. Washington's army didn't receive any support from Godzilla. It's technically true. My history teacher would give you a half point or a quarter point for an answer that was not wrong. This is not wrong. Okay, is this what I need? You know, it's technically not wrong, so you get a half point. That's a pretty good idea. I'm afraid some kids would just intentionally not do it. I want my kids to succeed, but at the same time, I also like to spur that kind of creativity and like critical thinking, I guess, in a way, especially if they don't know the answer. So you can give them some kind of, I guess, points for being creative. I mean, creativity is a skill, so there we go. And there's a lot of things you could have put there. Washington didn't get support from, you could put what, anyone but France? The cookie recipe called for 1 cup of butter, 4 cups of flour, half cup sugar, and 4 teaspoons of vanilla, but Sarah only has a half cup of butter. Explain how Sarah could still make the cookies without going to the store or borrowing from a neighbor. Just steal. Steal. This kid was not even going to attempt the math equation. It's just like, no, I'm going straight to stealing. That's what this kid did. I'm not going to make the cookies. I'm just going to steal. Where have you smelled burned fat before? At the gym. Let's go. Get swole. I'm a little deflated right now, okay? Hi, they robed my child. How could this be possible? Okay, so different language. ESL learner here. Circle the smallest number. Technically not wrong. All right, problem solver, James. All right, your calculator is showing 2,942. What would you put into the calculator to make the 2s become 6s? After you clear the number, you punch in 694 and then another 6, then you have 6,946. That's a really complicated answer. I feel like that's genius. It's like yeah, problem solver special. I like that. See, that's good teaching right there. It really made him think. Good job, James. This was in 2001. I want to see where James is at. James, if you're watching this video, put a comment down below. I don't know how you're doing in life. What sort of difficulties would a blind person face on a day-to-day basis? Let's see. Not wrong. No thanks. I would like to stay single. Oh, date. The date. No thanks. I would like to stay single. Good choice. Girlfriends are expensive and a lot of work. I bet that's the type of kid that puts that on every date line. You know what I mean? And thinks it's funny like every time. I got the teacher's like, good. You shouldn't be dating. Suppose you wanted to build a house on this land and still protect its natural resources. What could you do? How would it protect the natural resources? You can just forget about the house. Just don't even worry about it. I like the teacher wrote haha. Name the 2D shapes. Jade, Charlotte, Charlie, Sophia, Harriet, Emily, Maria. Did this kid miss the vocab assignment before this where it's like square and oval and all that stuff? Find the angle, 180 degrees. Yeah. Yeah. That's 100 degree. I mean, flat line is 100 degree angle. So I actually think that's pretty good. Find the angle. Now, did the teacher though write the like the acute angle there, like the 45 degrees? Or they write it after? Because usually the red's after anyway. I'm thinking too much about it. All right, a few more left. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 6. Find the difference between 8 and 6. 8 is all curly. 6 is not. Just describing the actual look of the actual letter. It's all curly. I mean, 6 is pretty curly too. There's 4 ways we can communicate other than sending a letter through the mail: Twitter, Facebook, FaceTime, Grindr. Isn't that a dating app? I mean, they got all the social medias down, right? Oh man, country, language. That's Eastern European here. I would just say the pros of sports outweigh their cons statement. When you're the teacher, unlimited power. No, I know you kids like to think we have an unlimited power. We very much do. Okay. When you are doing good on the test, unlimited powers. That's how you should feel when you do good on your test. That's pretty good. Hey, all right. Good compilation there. All right, final thoughts. This is a great compilation because most of those, yeah, I haven't seen like most all those, which was great. And to see there was some good witty remarks and stuff. And I also found in this compilation too, there were a lot of teachers that supported the funny test answers, which I think is kind of great to have that kind of sense of humor. Anyway, all right, another fun compilation. I know you guys have been liking these videos because these videos have done very well. So I'm going to try to, get more of those. But you can always help me out if you know of more compilations and things like that. Come over to the Discord server. It's linked down below. You can check that out. Again, if you stayed with me this long, you obviously like funny jokes and all that. And be sure to check out my new kind of meme style videos that, again, the algorithm doesn't seem to be supporting very much. I've noticed the subs are loving it. It's got a really high click rate for subs, but doesn't seem to be getting recommended. I think just because it's a new style with new time formats. And you'll see those pop up here around here. Give those a shot, and I think you'll really like them. All right. Anyway, with that, we'll see you next time. Bye.